but he's getting smart to my tricks.
And if you yell at him no, he just looks back, he goes no, and walks away.
Yeah.
Usually doing whatever it is you're telling him.
Not to do. So he hears.
He hears pretty... Oh. They think it's just recent that he stopped hearing as much as he did. They think it's like very recent. And I noticed it around the time he got those ear infections back to back to back to back. Like every 2 weeks he was getting them. That's when I noticed the hearing problem.
Oh, you missed. There, you got it.
Yay!
You can win some goldfish on the boardwalk.
You're getting mommy wet. Come on now.
Dude, where's your shoe?
I don't really need a shower, but...
You get your shoe back on?
Oh no, I do. I'm on the floor tomorrow.
Very good.
I forgot where I'm at tomorrow. I'm in the office.
Are you good to do different things on different days?
Kinda. I'm the... What do they just
Jack
consider
of
me?
trades, all trades, master of none.
I'm the abused jack of all trades.
She could pretty much run the business without the pay.
I do run the business without the pay.
Yeah.
But no, tomorrow I'm 8 to 2:30 in my office because I haven't gotten anything done all week. And I have to do CHS yet. Right in the middle. I have to do we get a subsidy for each kid. Certain kids, we get state funding, including them. It's for working parents. It helps pay for their daycare. Okay, it works. But I have to send in paperwork every month. It's my time to send in paperwork.